400 Grit Sharpening Stone Unboxing. Let's take a look at the outer packaging first. This is an angle reference wedge used to help maintain a consistent sharpening angle. Next, we have the user manual. Here is a leather strop fully loaded with diamond polishing compound, perfect for deburring and final edge refinement. And this is the sharpening stone itself, 5 mm thick, mounted on an aluminum alloy base for added stability. The box can also be used as a base, featuring a non-slip design to keep everything securely in place during sharpening.